Do you know that indefinite leave to remain in settled status offer the same rights in the UK, but they come from completely different legal systems? ILR is granted under the UK immigration rules and covers routes like skilled worker, partner, long residence, global talent, and many others. Settled status comes from Appendix EU and only applies to EEA and Swiss citizens. And they're eligible family members who were living in the UK before 31st December 2020. The EU settlement scheme is not open to new applicants, except in very limited or eligible family member cases. Both allow you to live, work, study, and access the NHS without immigration time limits, but the requirements behind them are different. ILR usually requires 5 years of lawful residence. However, the UK government's 2025 white paper has proposed increasing this standard qualifying period to 10 years for many routes, including skilled worker. These changes are still under consultation, and some faster settlement categories, such as spouses of British citizens, global talent, and certain earned settlement pathways, are expected to retain shorter routes. Applicants must also meet English language rules, pass the Life in the UK test, and meet the required residence and absence rules. ILR is transitioning fully to digital e-visas, and BRPS with the printed expiry date of 31st December 2024 are no longer valid as proof of status from early 2025. Settled status is already digital only, and from July 16, 2025, pre-settled status holders can upgrade once they complete their 5-year qualifying period and show they were present in the UK for at least 30 months in total within the most recent 60 months before applying. This major reform removes the old strict absence limits and makes proving continuous residence far more flexible. The way absences affect each status is also different. ILR can lapse if someone stays outside the UK for more than 2 years. Settled status lasts much longer and only lapses after 5 years outside the UK, or 4 years for Swiss nationals. Both ILR and settled status lead to British citizenship if the person meets the residence rules, absence limits, English language requirements, and good character checks. Normally, you must hold the status for 12 months before applying, although spouses of British citizens can apply immediately without waiting the full year. If you're unsure which status applies to you, how the new 30-month rule affects your upgrade, or how absences impact your citizenship plans, contact Law Centis for expert immigration guidance. And don't forget to follow Law Centis for more UK immigration updates.